Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro GBP, Euro British Pound for 7th May 2021. So this analysis is for 7th May only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the analysis of other currency pairs on the Forex analysis playlist. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro GBP, and as you can see, I am using the 4 hours time frame here. And if we switch to the 1 week time frame, then we get to see that market was in downtrend, and after the market formed a green candle, and right now market is kind of flat on the weekly chart as well. So we can see that 4 candles, and there is not much movement on the weekly chart as well. Okay, and as you can see, there is no prominent support or resistance level as of now available to us in the weekly chart. Therefore, the whole game lies in the 4 hours time frame or hourly time frame. Okay, so this is the 4 hours time frame, and as I always say in my videos that before executing any order, you should always look for the area of value. If you are looking for buying opportunity, then you should always buy above the support, and if you're looking for selling opportunity or shorting opportunity, then you should always look for the resistance so that you can short the market at just below the resistance. Okay, and in this case it is very clearly seen or available to us that this is the resistance. Okay, whatever, you can see that this is the resistance and this is the support. Okay, this is the resistance and this is the support of the market, and right now market is trading in between. So our area of value, if we short the market or if you want to short the market, then area of value is this, and if you want to go for buying order, then this is the level. Okay, if you want to buy, then it should be above this level only, above 0.8621, and if you want to sell, then it should be 0.8720. but as of now market is trading at 0.8683. Okay, so what should be your strategy then? Okay. See, if you want to buy here, let me change the color. If you want to buy here, then your stop loss will be here and your take profit will be here. Your risk to reward ratio does not match, and as I always say, you should not compromise with the trading discipline at any cost. Therefore, this is not the ideal position to buy. And if you want to sell, here, then your stop loss will be here or here. Okay, still your risk to reward ratio is not that favorable because this is not the area of value. And if you want to become a disciplined trader, and if you want to become a profitable trader in the long run, then you should learn how to trade, and you should not, and as I always say, you should not chase the market. Okay, so in a market like this, you should always wait for the market to come to you. You should not go to the market. Okay, so here, wait for the market to go up or either go down. If market goes up and hits this resistance level, 0.8720 level, this level, then just observe the price. If you see that price is struggling near the resistance and it is about to reverse, you can short the market. Once you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still shorting, you'll get a confirmation in the form of a inverted hammer or shooting star kind of a pattern, price rejection from above. Once you get a confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market and they are not allowing the market, or they will not allow the market to go up, you can short the market just below this level, 0.8720. This is your ideal position to short the market. Okay, in case it crosses this level, then wait for 3 to 4 hours and just try to read the market, just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, then you can go for a buy. Okay, once you get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support. Okay, so this is the strategy number 1. On the other hand, if market comes down and hits this level, 0.8621 level, then again you try to read the market psychology. If you see that prices come down and hit the support, then just watch and observe. If you see that yes, the support is still valid, market is respecting the support and market is about to reverse or bounce from here, then you can go for a buy order. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, if market crosses this level 0.8621 level, okay, wait for 3 to 4 hours and observe the market. If you see that sellers are dominating, they are not allowing the market to go up, and yes, the support has become the resistance now, you can short the market below this level. So these two are the levels that you need to look for, and right now market is trading at in the middle. This is not the area of value. If you trade here, you'll be going against the trading discipline, you'll be gambling with your hard-earned money. Okay. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye bye.